Hi everybody. Today for the squat challenge, I'm doing squat jumps. I've already done half of them, so I've got 35 more to go, and I just wanted to show you what they are, so you can watch me do the other half. All right.
Because the man leads the woman. That's why it's keep on learning. You got to keep so heavy and have a year, next year. And you can think you still learning. So yeah, there's so much to it. Yeah, and then it be a piece of later. Like I get home, I'm in the kitchen cooking, but I don't get a chance to go, take care of it. I get in the kitchen cooking and stuff.
As you can see, they're really freaking hard, so do have the time if you need to. Bye.